What's going on, everybody? This is Gil Rios, and we just got hit with Hurricane Sandy. My whole building has no light. My whole block doesn't have lights. I'm gonna show y'all. Y'all gonna run with me. I gotta go for a run. I gotta try to get some money, try to get some food for my house. So y'all gonna see it. Y'all gonna see it all. No lights, no nothing. It's like a zombie apocalypse out this. Trust me, it's getting real. I haven't even been at work. I can't, my cell phone doesn't work. Nothing works. Let's go. See? No lights, no nothing. Everything is just gone. Nothing. See, everything is just dark as hell. I don't even know if I'm focusing this right or what, but see what's going on.
Yeah, you might need to be swimming through the basement. All the trains are damaged. All the trains are flooded. Tunnels are flooded. Everything is flooded. So I'm trapped in here. I'm trapped in New Jersey for a while. See what's going on. As soon as I can upload this, if I could get electricity, I'm gonna go upload it. But right now I can't upload. All I can do is film and get this footage, and then I guess I'm gonna have to edit it later. We done. Vlogging. We gotta do some vlogging. You're gonna see some people out here. They stranded too. Check it out. I'm just going to look if they have a flashlight. I'm looking for a flashlight.
People asking for flashlights, trying to help each other out. This is what it's all about. We got to stick together somehow. So this is as real as it gets right here. I haven't been through this in years. When that blackout hit in the summer about 5-6 years ago, but that's about it. Branches is down. Put your back up. Damn! This shit is crazy. So how that wind blew out that whole and that looks like heavy ass glass.
Yeah, it is.
After today.
No lights, no nothing.
No nothing, no water, nothing.
Damn.
I see Adam. That is
The traffic lights are not even on. That is crazy.
That's a smart thing they're doing.
Huh?
That's smart what they're doing.
What are they doing?
They take all this meat out.
Oh, they're taking all the meat out, right?
Before it gets bad.
Right. Yeah, so they're getting all the meat out. Look at that. They closed.
Get all the meat.
They got the army out this. I'm documenting everything. People look at me like I'm crazy. I knew all this shit was gonna fall down. I knew this fence was gonna fall down. This fence is finicky. Duane Reade is closed. If Duane Reade is closed, you know it's a problem. You know it's a problem if Duane Reade is closed.
So as you can see, everything as of right now is shut down. PATH trains are shut down. Dwayne Reed is shut down. C.H. Martin is shut down. Even the supermarket, C-Town is shut down. You see windows getting blown out. People walking in the street. And this is just day one. You saw the army out here. The army was out here. So you know it's serious. I mean, this shit is crazy. Dwayne Reed is shut down, so you know it's serious. They don't shut down for nothing. You guys getting cell phone bars?
Right here. Stand right
Like,
here. Come in the circle. I'm getting texts in and
It
out.
goes in and out.
Yeah, it goes in and out.
But we had to walk
30 minutes.
about 30 minutes to find any.
30 minutes, right? I just called my boss and he was just like, it's day to day. It's day to day.
I'm just texting my dad. He said New York City's pretty bad.
Yeah.
That Lower Manhattan's completely flooded.
My office, they said the whole lights, all the lights are out.
Yeah.
The whole building.
Well, did you see the video last night, right before we lost power? There was a video of a power station in New York City exploding.
What?
Completely exploded. It took out all the power from 39th Street south.
Whoa.
Yeah.
All the shit is closed. What's going on, guys? I'm back at my house. Right now I'm just charging all my cell phones on my Mac. I'm charging this phone right here, which is my job phone, which is a Verizon phone. And I'm charging my Galaxy S3 phone. So when I charge it, it'll be full and hopefully I can make some emergency calls if I need it. Because we're gonna need phones. So thank goodness I got some juice. My girl's cooking something to eat so we could get something to eat. Wanna be on camera? Wanna be on camera?
No.
So, hey, yo, what's up with that egg, yo? That mac and cheese, baby. Mac and cheese and water. We got prison food. So a little bit of juice left, but that's about it. We're gonna drink the juice first, then rely on the water. So that's how we're gonna do it. And my wife is drinking wine. So she's gonna get drunk while we in a zombie apocalypse. Alright, so we apocalypsing it right now. This is some real apocalypse type. After tragedy, there's comedy. So I'm trying to make comedy out of tragedy. You know what I'm saying, y'all? You gotta make comedy out of tragedy. All I got is my Mac, 2 cell phones, some mac and cheese.